We're back at my favorite Long Beach nursery and they have a ton of cool plants that I need to show you. Came here to shop, not necessarily film anything, but it's too good to not show you guys. I wasn't even prepared. I don't have my mic, so excuse the sound. Check out these string of turtles. These look amazing. These are $15 each. They even have some really cool Sarracenias in. This is the White Wizard. These are $20 each. Right next to that is the Philodendron Pastazanum Silver. Really cool. Ooh, look at that petiole. These Philodendron Pastazanum Silvers are $15 each. I love that ruffled edge on that petiole. It's so pretty. Ooh, here we have some beautiful Gloxinias. These are $8 each. Also known as the Syningia speciosa. This is related to the African violet. These are so pretty. Up here they have some variegated Hoyas. They have the variegated Hoya Hindu rope, as well as the variegated Hoya carrii. Ooh, look at that. That's so pretty. Both of these are $45 each. They have some awesome sensitive plants right now. I will always be tempted to buy one of these because I love them so much. These are $6 each. I love the more compact ones, but I'm kind of drawn to the taller, leggy ones. They have Philodendron Paraiso Verde for $15, as well as some Philodendron Red Moon. It's a really nice color in that. They got the Philodendron Red Sun, and this one is $8 for the 4-inch pot. And they also have some Philodendron White Knights. Peperomia Ruby Cascade. These are $10 each in the 6-inch pots. See how it gets its name? They got some beautiful 6-inch begonias right now. These are $10 each. I love these begonias, the rhizomatous begonias. And up here they have all of their common Hoyas for $15 a pot. And right now they have the Hoya Curtisii available, the Hoya Crimson Queen, and the Hoya Ripple 8. Are they still calling it that? Or is it just the Ripple now? I can't keep up. There's some beautiful 4-inch Calatheas in. They have the Calathea makoyana and the Calathea lancifolia, also known as the rattlesnake Calathea, Calathea Beauty Star, and the Calathea ornata. These are all $6 each. I almost missed these Calatheas. They got the orbifolia, the Rosie, and the Consina Freddy. These are all $7 each. They got the Philodendron Mayoi. These are $15 each. It's the Philodendron Goldii, Philodendron Noble. These are all $15, along with the Rhaphidophora tetrasperma, also being called the Monstera minima, or the mini Monstera, which doesn't make sense because it's not a monster at all. The Philodendron Florida Green, or is this the Pedatum? The Philodendron Pedatum, and this really cool banana. This is a beautiful pot of Fittonia. These are $10 each. It's in a 6-inch pot. And the softest lamb's ears. These feel like cat ears. Like a cat with really soft bunny fur. That's what it reminds me of. And these Mickey Mouse plants. I can kind of see the Mickey Mouse. It's like bootleg Disney Mickey Mouse. Ooh, I love these big plants. Is this a Spathiphyllum sensation? Or the Dario? I love these big leaves though. Oh, and this is cool. They have a Syngonium albo growing up a trellis. This one's $60. And this extra large philodendron Jose Bono is $60 too. Got some good deals here. Ooh, that's cool. There's a philodendron domesticum variegata. This is beautiful. That one's $200. And I think this is a variegated philodendron Congo. That one's $145. And we got some philodendron strawberry shakes for $150. Nice. Oh, that's cool. They have some Begonia brevermosa. They have this in the conservatory at the Huntington Library, I want to say. It's cool to see it outside. Right next to these Begonia rosies, which are all looking so beautiful. These are $8 each. This is pretty. The Saxifraga tricolor. These are $6 each. They're also called the begonia vines, or the strawberry begonias. But it's neither begonia nor strawberry. It's a Saxifraga. Wow, they have some amazing deals on these Platycerium bifurcatums. $12 for these staghorns. They're in 6-inch hanging baskets. They have some caladiums in fun colors too. Look how pretty this Maranta is. These never get old. These are really cute too. The Aralia Gold. Be really pretty bonsais. These are $14 each. Oh, and these are cute too. Campanulas. They look like little Willy Wonka cups. These cute plants with the pretty flowers are $12 each. Ooh, and they have some nice large pots of the Raven ZZs. These are $65 each. This is cute. Graptopedilum paraguayens. You know we have to check out the cactus greenhouse. I'm loving these monkey tail cacti. These are in 8-inch pots and they're $40 each. Isn't that cool? Even the smaller one's cute. But they have a ton of cool plants in here right now. Like these Euphorbia multifolias. These are $25 each. These are cool. Euphorbia buplevrifolia. And these are $30 each. The leaves are cool. They kind of have like a variegation to them. They put out these really pretty flowers. They have Rosales paradoxa. These are $6 each. And some booby cacti. These are $20 each. Ooh, this is cool. The Aloenopsis malherbaei. These are $5 each. I've been really drawn to Aloenopsis because I had no idea that there's a really cool caudex. Here's another cool Aloenopsis. The Aloenopsis schoonessii. Definitely picking one of these up. I want to dig it up and kind of see what's under there. Speaking of caudices, here's the Dorstenia. These are $6 each. That's cool. They have some Cyphostemas. These are $15 each. It's a really good price. They also have this Phaukea edulis for $15. And this one's putting out some new growth. Look at how green that vine is. Wow. Super bloom. These are all Rebushas. Super pretty. I think all these cacti are $4 each, which is insane. This one's so pretty. My guess would be that this is a Gymnocalycium. Gymnocalyciums always remind me of little fighting tomatoes. Tomatoes with spines. This is so cool. Adenia venenata. Such an interesting plant. These are in 4-inch pots and they're $8 each. They just recently restocked their succulents too, and they have a ton. Just look at all these succulents. They have a good variety, and the 2-inch pots are 4 for $5 or $1.50 each. And these 4-inch pots are $3 each. Look at how beautiful these Echeveria Lolas look. They're glowing. Nice variegated desert roses too. These are $30 each. They're all so pretty. These non-variegated ones are really pretty too. I love that one. That one looks so cool. These are $26 each. All the colors are so beautiful. Wow, that is really cool. That huge plant putting out the giant yellow flowers. This is a Philodendron dentari. That one's $170. Just imagine that in a really cool bonsai pot. Ooh. And this silver torch is also really cool. That's a fine specimen. And this is $150. Here's another Tylicodon. This is the Tylicodon wallichii. That's a cool genus. These grafted ones are cool. Those are $45 each. Ooh. And they have some gorgeous aeoniums too. Look at that one. That's so different. Hot in here and I'm getting sweaty. Ooh, and they have these tortums up front for $20. Another successful trip to Rosales. I mean, I can't imagine a world where I come to this nursery and not pick anything up. I got the Cyphostemma. I thought it was too cool, and I especially loved its little bulbous trunk. I think this will age beautifully. It's already developing some cool character down at the trunk. And I had to get both the Aloenopsis. Aloenopsi? So I got the Spunesii and the Malerbii, Malerbii, and the Graptopedilum paraguayens. Gosh, they have like a field of, must be jasmine, but that's all I can smell right now, and it smells so beautiful. I had a lot of fun. I hope you did too. If you like this video, you know what to do. Please throw me a bone and give me a thumbs up. And if you want to go plant shopping with me, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I'm trying to hit 50K subscribers. So if you want to help me out, please hit that subscribe. I can't wait to see you in the next video. I just don't want to miss you too much. So if you could show me some love in the comments, and I'll meet you there. Bye.
Ocean in between us, still I feel your heartbeat. There's something about you, baby, that makes me feel complete. Nobody's meant to be fighting alone. That's why I'm taking you home. I never felt something like this before, no. Keep coming back for your time after time. Maybe I'm losing my mind, but I know I'll never leave you behind, no. Baby, I got you. When you feel like falling, I'll be there to prove, yeah, that baby, I got you. No matter the distance, no matter the route, yeah, baby, I got you. When you feel like falling, I'll be there.